Hey folks, in this video I'll show you how to quickly change the name of your Facebook page. Go ahead and open up your app. If you're on your main profile, then you'll first want to change over to your actual Facebook page profile. To do this, come down to the bottom right and click on your profile icon. From here, if your page shows up under your shortcuts, you can just go ahead and click on this. However, if it doesn't show there for you, instead click on the Pages button here, and then select your Facebook page under Pages you manage, followed by pressing switch, and this will also take you to your Facebook page profile. Once on your page, click on the profile icon at the bottom right again, and from here come up and click on the settings icon at the top right. Now we'll scroll down a bit and under audience and visibility, choose page setup. At the top you'll see name, and if we click this it will allow us to edit our page name. However, as you can see, you can only change your page name once every 60 days. So make sure you're happy first and that you've checked it for spelling mistakes, otherwise you'll have a long wait before being able to change it again. To change your name, simply click in the box with your current name and then make your changes. For example, in my page name, I'll change the W from a capital to a lowercase w, and then when you're happy, press done, and then click on Review Change at the bottom. This screen shows your old page name along with how your new page name will appear underneath it. It also further reminds you again about not being able to change it for 60 days after, and that it may let your followers know that you've changed your name as well. All that's left now is to click on Submit for approval at the bottom, and then if approved, it'll automatically update. Wonderful. If this helped you out, please consider subscribing and dropping a like, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. See you in the next one.